Apple Notes in iOS 26 is revolutionizing note-taking, but is it for everyone? Dive in to discover the fresh features that are exciting users and stirring up some heated discussions among tech enthusiasts. If you're tired of the same old app experience, this update promises to refresh your productivity game. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue these changes are just flashy updates, while others see them as essential leaps forward. Let's break it all down step by step, so even beginners can follow along easily. Apple Notes has long been one of Apple's most reliably enhanced apps, evolving steadily with each iOS release. Think of it as the trusty sidekick that's always getting smarter. With iOS 26, the app introduces a handful of standout improvements that build on its growing capabilities. Whether you're jotting down quick thoughts or organizing complex ideas, these additions aim to make your workflow smoother and more intuitive. And this is the part most people miss. These updates aren't just about new bells and whistles. They're designed to adapt to how you actually use the app, potentially reshaping your daily habits. First up is the eye-catching new liquid glass design, arguably the most transformative shift this year. While the core layout of Apple Notes stays familiar, the entire interface gets a sleek, contemporary facelift through thorough UI updates. Imagine buttons that feel more polished, search functions now conveniently positioned at the bottom of your screen for instant access, and subtle tweaks to line spacing that make reading and editing a breeze. The toolbar has been revamped to allow horizontal swiping, giving you a fluid way to navigate tools without clutter. Even the app icon has undergone a refresh. Overall, this design overhaul strikes a perfect balance. It feels like the Notes you know and love, yet infused with a modern edge that's both comforting and invigorating. For newcomers, think of it as giving your old favorite shirt a stylish upgrade. Same comfort, new vibe. Next, tackling a common pain point. iOS 26 introduces the Adaptive Toolbar, a clever solution to the growing toolbox of features that might otherwise overwhelm users. Over the years, Notes has packed in more tools, which can sometimes make hunting for the right one feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. To address this, the Adaptive Toolbar dynamically adjusts based on your current task. When typing or selecting text, this toolbar appears above your iPhone's keyboard and intelligently displays the most relevant options. For instance, if you're formatting basic text, you'll see straightforward controls like bold, italics, underline, and strike through. But select multiple lines and it shifts to list-making tools, indentation options, and more, putting what you need right at your fingertips. Essentially, Apple is prioritizing efficiency by anticipating your needs, reducing the need to swipe through menus constantly. It's like having a personal assistant that knows exactly what tool to hand you next. Beginners, picture it as your app learning your preferences on the fly, making note-taking less about fumbling and more about flowing. Now, for a feature that's sparking debate, Markdown import and export. Apple Notes now offers partial support for Markdown, letting you import and export these files, though without any special formatting within the app itself. You can draft a note using Markdown syntax and export it seamlessly through the share sheet. Importing works the same way, via the share sheet or iPad's menu bar, but copying and pasting Markdown text won't automatically convert it. If you're wondering what Markdown is all about, it originated from John Gruber's vision as a simple tool for converting plain text to HTML, making it easier for web writers to create structured content without coding hassles. Over time, it's become a favorite among bloggers, developers, and anyone who prefers writing in a distraction-free, readable format that can be transformed into web-ready code. For example, typing italics or bold in Markdown is straightforward and converts beautifully online. This addition empowers users who work across platforms, but here's the controversy. Critics say it's half-baked without full in-app rendering, potentially frustrating those expecting a seamless experience. Is Apple missing a chance to fully embrace Markdown? Or is this a smart, lightweight approach? We'll explore that more at the end. Shifting gears to wearable tech, Notes comes to Apple Watch in iOS 26 and watchOS 26, marking its debut on the wrist. As an Apple Watch owner, you can now access all your notes directly from the new Watch app, with pinned items prominently displayed at the top, just like on your iPhone. Even better, you can create fresh notes on the go without pulling out your phone, thanks to built-in dictation. This is a boon for quick captures during workouts or walks. Imagine dictating a grocery list mid-run. But does this truly add value, or is it just another app bloating your watch? Some users hail it as a productivity boost, while others question if we really need to turn our wrists into mini offices. And this is the part most people miss. It integrates dictation so naturally that it feels like the watch was always meant for this. Finally, for creatives wielding the Apple Pencil or just iPhone users, the Read Pen for calligraphy adds a touch of artistry. The tool palette, originally tailored for pencil, but accessible on iPhones, now includes this new Read Pen option. It simulates a traditional calligraphy pen with adjustable stroke angles, letting you craft elegant handwritten style notes right within the app. Picture drawing flourishing letters or decorative elements that mimic real ink on paper. Perfect for invitations or personal journaling. Beginners, think of it as blending digital ease with the charm of old-school writing, making your notes not just functional, but visually stunning. So which of these iOS 26 Apple Notes features has you buzzing with excitement? The design refresh, the smart toolbar, Markdown support, watch integration, or the calligraphy pen? But let's get controversial. Do you see Apple's adaptive tools as a genius way to declutter or just another layer of complexity? Is Markdown's partial embrace innovative or incomplete? And regarding notes on the watch, is it a must-have for on-the-go pros or an overkill for casual users? Share your takes, agreements or disagreements in the comments below. We'd love to hear your side. Best iPhone accessories: AirPods Pro 3, VMN.to 4PMMV1U, AirTag 4-pack, now only $65, down from $99. Amazon.to 3DRKM1E, MagSafe car mount for iPhone. Amazon.to 407ENX, 10-year AirTag battery case 2-pack. Amazon.to 4i7iLij, 100-watt USB-C fast charging power adapter. Amazon.to 3WVPO, add 9 to 5 Mac to your Google News feed. Amazon.to /mac/news.google.com/publications CAAQBGGNAS we incorporate automated affiliate links that generate income. Learn more. https:9to5mac.com/about/affiliate